learn right now how we're going to open a document in OpenOffice. So if you've already been provided a document and you've saved it where you could find it, you can click here on Open and it will take you in. Sometimes you have to double click to where you can go find some files. Now I've got files buried on my jump drive, so let me go get those. And I'll pull up something from one of the classes that I've had before. And let's find something. Oh, notes from an assignment that we did. Give it a moment and it will open it up. Now these were provided in originally a Word document and they've been provided here. And these were the notes that we took in class, and I in class was writing a whole bunch of stuff on the screen, and that stuff has all been provided for you, and there it is, all the notes that we had. Some of it's a little out of place, but it still works. Okay, so if you were using this as notes, you want to look at it, you had something to look at. But let's go find something different that you can actually use to type on, because I a lot of times like to provide documents that are already pre-formatted for you. So we'll pull that up instead. This one isn't so much. But you had a document to read through, and then you had to go through and answer questions. So you would answer the questions, and here it says underline the answer. So if I knew what the answer was, I would highlight it, which means click. I'm going to hold down my right key and pull it over. That's to highlight it. It says to underline. It means I go up here and click on the underline there, or I can press on my computer keyboard, press the control button and the U button. Again, if you have a PC. If you have a Mac, you're going to figure that out on your own. Okay, then here you would type in your answer. I know that's not the appropriate looking answer. You go all the way through it and answer it. Then go up here when you're all done to save it. Go File, but here's the thing. Don't click Save. Click Save As. Because if you'll notice up here, it says first name, last name. I need your name. So do your teachers. They want your name on the file. So you click Save As, and you're going to replace that name with your actual name. So you replace it with a name, and then definitely make sure that the save type is listed as a Word document. Okay, and generally this 97, 2000, and XP is perfect. That'll be fine. Okay. Do that and then click Save. And you've saved it, and hopefully you remember where it's at. What you want to do is this. Keep the current format. Okay? You do not want to save it as an ODT file. Trust me on this. Just trust me. So let's say you need to start a brand new document. Go over here and click on New and just say New Document. Okay? And this is where you're going to type things in. So you are typing your essay. You type away. I can't think of a lot to say right here at the moment, but you type away in your essay. When you're ready to, you're going to save this. You need to save it where you can find it. So we're going to say File, and I prefer to say Save As. It's just a habit that I have. I'm going to give this a title. Okay? But right here it says Save Type As. I need to change this. You need to change this. And go down to Microsoft Word. Because a lot of the systems that we use with K-12, they will not read the file when it's in an ODT file. It just means an open source document. It's fine, but your teachers aren't going to be able to do anything with it. So you want to make sure you go in and you change that file type, Save As, and save it to Microsoft Word for your teachers to read. And then you need to go make sure you save it where you can find it again, and I will talk over that in a moment. But again, type your file, type what you need to type, or open up what you need to open in, and then just make sure you do File, Save As, give it a title, but then make sure you save it as a Microsoft Word document. Okay, make sure you save it as a Microsoft Word document. Otherwise, we're going to have trouble and your teachers won't be able to read your stuff, and it'll make it very hard for them to grade it. Okay, or you have to go back and do it all over again. So please be sure to save your things in a Microsoft Word file as often as possible where it's required.